Hello students, the topic of the essay is My School. The name of my school is St. Mary's High School. It has many rooms and a big playground. There are many friendly teachers who help us learn. We have a special place called the library with lots of books. My friends and I play games during recess. We have fun lessons with art, music and stories. My school is very colorful and clean. We celebrate special days like birthdays and festivals. I like my school because it is a happy place. Every day at school is a new adventure. Don't forget to subscribe.